Namaste, dear students of class 10. I am Tumpuri Shrivani from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans, BHL, RC Puram, Hyderabad. I am in front of you today to discuss English model paper. Very soon you are going to appear for first term assessment and the paper is for 80 marks. And there are quite a number of changes, and that's the reason I wanted to discuss the model paper with you. So let me quickly share my screen, children. Now, your question paper is for 80 marks. This you already know. And it is divided into 3 sections, Section A, Section B, and Section C. Children, Section A has 2 unseen comprehension passages. Traditionally, you have been writing and there is no much change in it. Now, Section B is based on writing and grammar. The change this year is this section carries 20 marks. Earlier you used to write it for 30 marks, but this year you're writing it for 20 marks. So there is a reduction of 10 marks here. Now coming to section C, children, literature, it is for 40 marks. So weightage is increased here, children. 10 marks weightage is increased for section C, that is for literature. So this is the big change, children, in the paper. Now, coming to section A, as I already said, there will be 2 comprehension passages. And the change this year is each passage will have 12 multiple choice questions. Earlier, you used to write question answers. But this year, you have to just pick the right option. Okay, so multiple choice questions will be there. Each passage will have 12 questions, out of which you have to attempt 10. And each bit carries 1 mark. So 10 plus 10 is 20 marks. Now coming to section B, children, you all know 2 writing tasks are discussed for this term. That is, one is complaint letter and the other one is inquiry letter. Okay, so question number 3 and question number 4 will be based on letters. Here also you will have internal choice. Question number 3 has internal choice. Question number 4 has internal choice. So you can pick one of the letters and write, for which you will get 5 plus 5, 10 marks. Now this is the area, children, where you can score 10 marks completely if you write the format carefully. Okay, so the rubrics is like this, children. Content carries 3 marks, fluency carries 1 mark, and accuracy carries 1 mark. So if you are very careful with this, with the format of the letter, it will be very easy for you to score 10 on 10 for this question number 3 and question number 4. Now coming to question number 5, children, you have to choose the right word from the given options. So one paragraph will be given and some filling the blanks will be there and some options will be given. From those options you have to pick the right answer and you have to put it in the filling the blank. Okay, this may be based on tenses or conjunctions or prepositions. Okay, so now coming to question number 6, children, this is edit the passage. Now here this also carries 5 marks. You have to identify the error, children. In this you have to identify the error and then write the correct word there too. Okay, so this traditionally you have been doing this, so I'm sure you are aware of edit the passage question. Now coming to section C, children, this is literature. Now this is very, very important. Lot of weightage, as I said, is given to this section which carries 40 marks. So please make sure that you read every lesson from first flight and footprints, word by word, children. Both the books are given equal weightage, so you have to prepare very cautiously here. Now question number 7 is reference to context, children, where 2 questions will be given and this 7th question will be based on prose. So reference to context is taken from prose, children. Earlier we used to give from only poetry, but this time reference to context is given from prose. Okay, and question number 8, reference to context is taken from poetry. So one reference to context from prose and another from poetry you will have to write, and you will have internal choice for question number 7 and question number 8. So 5 marks plus 5 marks, this becomes 10 marks. Okay. Now coming to 9th question, children, answer any 4 of the following questions briefly in 20 to 30 words each. So here, children, 6 questions will be given. In 9th question, 6 questions will be given, but you have to write 4 questions only, and each question carries 2 marks. So children, if they are allotting 2 marks, you have to make sure that at least 2 points you have to write, or more than 2, but not less than 2 points. Please remember that. Okay. Now coming to question number 10, again you will be given 6 questions, out of which you have to write 4 questions, and each question here carries 3 marks. Okay. So 4 into 3, again 12 marks here. Now coming to question number 11, you have to write any one, children. 2 questions will be given, out of which you have to write only 1 question, and this carries 5 marks. And last question, that is 12th question, again it will have, this is very long question, children, which should be written in 100 to 120 words, which again carries 5 marks. Okay. So like this, children, this literature section will carry 40 marks. So children, make sure that you attempt these questions thoroughly and in order. Please try to maintain the order. Any section you pick, make sure that it is written in sequential order. Now suppose you do not know any question, make sure that you leave some space there, and then you can come back and write appropriate question numbers. Please do not make a mistake in it. Section number, question number has to be written very carefully. Okay. Now with this, children, you understand that the entire paper is for 80 marks, and if you do it little cautiously, scoring 80 on 80 will not be difficult. So please prepare well. Keep this model paper on your mind while you are preparing, so that you will have a rough idea about the question paper, children. This is what I wanted to share with you all. I'm ending my session, children. Thanks a lot. Thank you, children.